Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the flagship device from Honor in India, the Honor 10. So Honor 10 has been announced in China, and the global debut takes place on May 15th, and India launch is also on May 15th, and this will be available exclusive to Flipkart. So we, at this point of unboxing, we don't really know the pricing of this device. So this comes with really power packed specifications and really great cameras as well. That's the usual trend of all the Huawei and Honor series smartphones. So this is the Honor 10, and you can see the mention of 10 here. So this comes in two colors. We have the blue variant with us, and here we can see this is 6GB RAM and 128 gigs of storage what we have right now, and this is the blue variant. So talking about the specification, so this device comes with a 5.84-inch Full HD plus resolution display. It's an 19:9 aspect ratio. It has a notch included, and this device also comes with a Kirin 970 octa-core chipset, and as we said, 6GB RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So we'll talk about the other specifications while we see the device. So on the top I can see the blue variant of the Honor 10. So let's just take this out. So that's the blue variant. You can also see that the color hue changes when you tilt the display. You can tilt the device, so you can see that the color changes, and this is something really great in terms of the build quality. We have a dual camera setup here. It's a 16 megapixel primary camera, f-stop 1.8 aperture, and we have a 24 megapixel monochrome sensor, and this is an LED flash included, and it is an AI enabled camera. So that's the specialty of this device. Now here we have the power and volume keys on the right side. Then the top houses the IR blaster, the left side houses the SIM tray. So let's just take this out and see the SIM tray. So this is no SD card slot, so this is just two SIM cards alone, 2 nano SIM cards included, no micro SD expansion slot. And at the bottom we have the mic USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and the 3.5mm audio jack. So Honor has not removed the 3.5mm audio jack, so that is available. And on the front panel we have this 5.84 inches Full HD plus resolution display with 19:9 aspect ratio. Now one of the important aspect of this device is that below the display you can see some dots here. So this area has been earmarked for the fingerprint scanner. There is no physical home button, instead it uses the fingerprint scanner which is beneath the glass. So that's something really good. So this area has been used for fingerprint scanner, but there is no physical button, and it's the fingerprint scanner is the sensor is below the display, so below the glass basically. So that's something really good. So design wise this looks really good. It's a premium and elegant looking device, and let's now boot the device and see what all comes inside the box, and also see the accessories and also the features of this device in terms of the UI. So opening up the box, you get to see the SIM ejector pin, and since it's a review unit, we don't have the manual SIM inside. Now let's see the charger. So this comes with quick charging. So you can see the output voltage is 5 volt 2 ampere and 9 volt 2 ampere. So fast charging is supported. That's something pretty good. Then we also have the standard micro USB, the standard Type-C port included for charging and data syncing. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the device. So that's the Honor 10, the flagship device with a 19:9 aspect ratio, and you can also see the notch. So it's a 5.84 inches screen size, so that's pretty compact form factor, and you can see the fingerprint scanner here. So we'll just demo the fingerprint scanner which is built under the glass on the display. So you can see here it's really extremely fast in unlocking the device. So there you go, it's a really fast fingerprint scanner. Now the display as such looks really good. It's a colorful and vivid display, and the viewing angles are really good. So the touch response is extremely smooth, and we have a 2.5D glass as well, and the overall build quality is something really stunning on this device. And this is powered by the Kirin 970 octa-core chipset, which comes with 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and we have Android Oreo out of the box. So let's just go to the about phone. So you can see that Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and EMUI is also 8.1. So that's something really good, and you can see the inbuilt storage is 116GB out of the 128 gigs, and the security patch is from April. So that's something pretty good on this device. Now talking about the software, you get to see all the features we see on any EMUI powered device or Huawei. So almost all features are retained here. Now let's have a look at the camera. So this comes with a dual camera setup. So we have a 16 megapixel primary camera, that's the primary camera, and we have a secondary 24 megapixel camera, which is basically a monochrome sensor. The primary camera with f-stop 1.8 aperture, and we have a selfie camera which is a 24 megapixel shooter. This is quite similar to what we've seen on the Honor the Huawei P20 Lite and P20 Pro. So that's a 24 megapixel camera. Now the interface is quite similar to what we've seen on the P20 Pro. So let's just take some captures here. So the interface is fast, and you can see the camera sample. So here are some of the samples we have taken with this device. So you can see the details are really good. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. So these samples we have taken after unboxing the device. So this is a really good camera smartphone in this price segment. Now the device also comes with 3400 mAh capacity battery. That's quite good capacity battery for a compact 5.84 inch screen size, and it also has fast charging, so that's again an added benefit for using the Honor 10. So this was unboxing and hands-on with the Honor 10. So this device will go on sale on Flipkart. That's today, May 15th, and the pricing we don't really know at this point of time. So once the pricing has been announced, we'll update in the comment section. So that is the unboxing and hands-on with the Honor 10. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.